Hello everyone, this is Dr. Metwally from Advanced Joint Replacement Center in Southern Oregon. I want to talk to you guys about the COVID-19. I hope that everyone is healthy and well. Our office is certainly open to serve you from an orthopedic point of view. We have two options, either to see you in the office and taking the COVID precautions as it's decided by the CDC as well as our government in Oregon, or we can see you on a telemedicine. That's a video chat. It's secure and it's also HIPAA compliant that we have been seeing people there. I wanted to give that information to you guys and give you the option that you can see me from the comfort of your own home, or you can come and see me at the office. Certainly, when you come to the office, things are not as usual. So certainly you're gonna register online, which makes it easier and less contact with people. When you come to the office for your appointment, you're gonna stay in the parking lot as recommended by the CDC. We will come and get you when your room is ready. Your room is gonna be disinfected by disinfectant wipes and sprays. But not only that, we also in Advanced Joint Replacement Center, we're using the ultraviolet C light to sterilize the entire room. This is something that not every office in Medford are doing this. We are the leading office to try to keep you safe, keep our staff safe, and make it easier for all of us to avoid contracting any type of disease. The UV light is known to sterilize viruses as well as bacteria. After your appointment is concluded, we will walk you out of the room. Our office is going to call you to set up the follow-up appointment when needed. At AJRC, we're welcome to see you either through telemedicine or in the office. Thank you and stay safe.